I want to talk about something that sort of came to mind, right? It didn't come to mind. I saw a video. Somebody made a video about the use of memes by politicians and stuff. Sort of this new, I guess this isn't new. There was probably different manifestations of this throughout all of history of media use and people of power, you know, propaganda and whatnot, right? It'd probably be a branch of that. But sort of like this modern use of memes, right? And this guy made a really good video about sort of how Fetterman used it to get into power. This is sort of like a left critique of like a left institution, just for the context, right? And then now talking about what's his name? Newsom using memes to make fun of Trump and whatever, right? And he made this point that, you know, memes are not a substitution for policies and you have to have both, blah, 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 et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, right? And you already know where this is going. You already know where this is going, right? Why does this work? Like, why? What are the factors that create the social social material ideological structure and where like that makes sense, you know? And where that's like normal, right? Because there's a lot of places in where it's just not normal, you know? And you already know where this is going, right? It's because every single one of us, right, lacks the tool to see the structure of our society, the mechanisms, right? The social and scientific categories that superimpose them and their relationships, you know? Because we're all walking around asking for directions instead of building a goddamn map to know where to go, you know? So that's why you have these evil ass, demonic motherfuckers stealing your fucking money and giving you memes. Yes, you can talk about sort of like money in politics and blah, 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 and all these other stuff, which are also an element, right? Their bought interest and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. But even if that wasn't the case, we still have another version of that. Because you're fucking waiting for an answer. You're waiting for your farm handler to come and put the leash around you to give you a walk. It is time that we free ourselves from this stupid madness. We have the tools. We have the technology. The only thing you need is your honesty. And that you put your strength in this. We need a society interface. Everything else will be a bunch of narrative bullshit. Everything else will be discombobulated and uncontrolled. No matter how intricate you even get a solution. It'll be just a small group of people who won't even know how to explain it to you. It'll be some fucking committee, you won't fucking sit down and read about it. The only reasons phones are the way they are, and not the way we thought they would be with, like, I don't know, when you look before phones or whatever, right? Is because of the visual, structural, fucking UI we created. You understand? The interface unlocks our possibilities. It is time we do the same to these disgusting fascist motherfuckers. It is time that you do it to yourself, you disgusting fascist motherfucker. You, me, all of us, destroying this fucking planet, walking in ignorance. It is time we put an end to this madness. And once we do that, once every single one of us actually fucking knows how shit fucking works and we stop pretending, exploiting this world, enslaving this world, then these motherfuckers, they don't even need to talk. Memes, motherfucker, they don't even need to talk. They will rubber stamp your solution. Join me and end this madness.